How to become a seller on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Create Login and Delete, and in today's video I'll show you guys how you will be able to sell your products on Temu. To become a seller on Temu, you will need to join Temu as a verified seller on Pinduoduo. So head towards a new tab and type in Open Temu Login. Now open this very first website link watching.pinduoduo.com. You're gonna land on this kind of page. Here you have to change the language to English. Next you have to sign up. Click on the option that says don't have an account yet, sign up now. Firstly, type in your phone number and then set a password for your account. In the third column, you will need to enter the 6-digit verification code that you will receive on the phone number you just entered. Then you can click on the option register when you are done. After you click on register, you will land on the next page where you have to complete the merchant registration, which includes all of your details including your ID verification. After you go through that process and complete it, you can submit your form. Temu will take about 1 week for the verification approval. Once your account is approved by Temu, your account will be created and then you will be able to sell different products in the Temu marketplace. So this is how you can become a seller on Temu. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips. Have any question or additional tips on Temu? Drop a comment below. Happy shopping!